Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox Browser on your Nokia T21. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Firefox. Select this one from the list and click on the install. When it's ready, you can open the app and here customize it. So choose your theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing and we can open a website. As you can see, browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.